Whew. She is big. She is big today.
Oh, you see?
No, what? Oh my.
Whoa.
I guarantee you just said that in the wrong group chat. The tea is hot.
I stand by.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm having a lovely day over here myself. Connor and I woke up in good mood today because we got a great night's sleep.
No kidding.
It
That was like
so
one
good.
of the best sleeps I've had in
a little bit.
a long
It was
time.
really nice.
Mm-hmm.
I slept so well. And I have quite a nice day ahead. It's not too heavy as far as work goes. I'm really just gonna concentrate on some editing here for the next couple hours. And then I'm meeting up with Brendan for lunch at 2 o'clock. And after that, we are going to do a little workout together. And then later this evening, Connor and I are going for massages. So it's a very nice day. Very nice day indeed. So the workout that Brendan and I are doing is a part of like the 10-day reset that I'm doing. If you guys missed the last vlog, basically doing this reset that's all about like your mindset and your body and all of that coming together. And it has workout classes involved in it. So I just felt like it was a good way to get back on track with like my fitness, especially right before traveling, because then that's all gonna go to shit again. So most of the classes start at 7 a.m., but I didn't wake up at 7 today, but you can do them on demand. So I'm just gonna do it on demand later this afternoon, which is honestly for the best because I'm in a lot of pain from yesterday's class. We did a leg day and my legs hurt so badly. Yeah, Brendy said that he would do it with me. So anyway, that's what my day is looking like. I really want to dive in and get as much editing done as I can over the next couple hours, and then we'll see where the day takes us from there. Oh, I do really quickly though, I want to make a matcha because I got a new matcha kit. It sounds sort of fun. Okay, so I got this matcha kit from Jade Leaf Matcha. I've never tried this brand before, but it comes with like everything you need to make a matcha latte. So I'm intrigued and I think that we should try it because I'm craving another drink. It's like a whole kit in here. So let's use the bamboo scoop and your little sifter over this bowl. And you scoop some matcha into the sifter, and then you sift it through. Nice. So I have my matcha mixed in here. Now, I want to make it iced. Okay, I just put a bit of ice and almond milk in here. Now I'm going to pour my matcha mixture in. Look at this mixer. Oh my god. A little bit of vanilla creamer in there. Nope. Okay, let's try a sip. Oh, it's delicious. That is very good. This is fun. All right, made it out to lunch with Brendy. Reunited yet again.
I don't know why I said it like that. Like that was not how I was expecting it to come out.
And our food just arrived. We're just at Ashland Hill for a quick little lunch.
That was actually so good.
I know, I'm very excited. So I got a like chicken something bowl. I don't know, but it smells amazing.
I got a hot Cheeto burrito.
Yes, it does look like hot Cheetos. That's funny. No, I think it's just like a tomato wrap. Or just
Cheeto.
probably dyed red for aesthetic purposes. Yes, hot Cheeto breakfast burrito. Looks great. I'm excited. Lunch was delish. Having a lovely time, and now I've dragged Brendan to the park here to do this workout with me. We'll see how far both of us make it. Honestly, at this point, it's going to be interesting because I'm so sore, but 5 minutes, it's like how long her warm-up is.
Exactly.
We're going to see how it goes. I opened my eyes. It almost looked like you had pulled your pants down.
Don't make me laugh. I'm gonna break my neck.
I am back home, but just really quickly to get changed. Brenda and I had a lovely workout. That felt really good. It was a lot more slow paced from yesterday, which was great because I'm in a lot of pain today. But it was still a great workout. Still definitely got a good burn in. And Brenda just took off because Connor and I now are heading out to my next wellness activity of the day. We are going to get massages at the Now. I am so freaking excited. It's like my favorite place in LA to go get massages. And I think that they have, I was seeing on TikTok, they have a Chicago location now and maybe somewhere in Texas too. So they're expanding. Definitely check if there's a Now in your area because it is good stuff.
I haven't gotten a massage since I was a wee little boy.
A wee lad.
A wee lad.
Okay, get your shoes on.
And then
Let's
my
go.
body's in shambles, so.
We are home from our massages and oh my gosh, were they amazing. It was so nice. There's nothing better than a really lovely massage. It just makes you feel so good. Connor, would you do me a favor and turn off the kitchen, or this light? It's just making the ugliest light ever. Oh yes, that's perfect. And we got a little gift from them at the end, so I thought that I would open everything up on camera for you guys because I'm very excited to check it out. It's a cute little box here. And they actually gave Connor a little gift too, which is really nice. I'm gonna be curious to see if we got the same stuff in both of our boxes. Here we go. Ooh, so cute. Kindness is magic. We're so glad you were able to relax and recharge with us. Enjoy a few of our favorite products, including our hemp collection from Nourish by the Now to help amplify your self-care routine. Thanks for sharing the love and can't wait to hear your thoughts. So cute. All right, so here we go. First up, ooh, this is lovely. Whoa, our lamp just turned on. Eye masks. I freaking love these jelly eye things. I definitely want to use some of those. That sounds so nice. You know, there's so much stuff in here. I love it. This is, the Calm Balm. This stuff is so amazing. Beautiful packaging. It smells amazing and minty. It's just like this nice balm, and it has CBD in it, so it's really great for relaxing muscles and just like if you have any soreness. This is amazing. I've had that before from them. It's so good. Ooh, the Hemp Lip Solve. Little lip product. Really, you're gonna make me rip the box to get it open? Okay, fine, whatever. I'll destroy the box. Not much of a scent on this, which is totally fine by me. Maybe with coconut. It's really nice. Hey, we're not even done yet. Ooh, some hand sanitizer. Love it. Always good to have. Okay, am I doing something wrong here? Or? Oh, there we go. Haha. And then we have 3 little bags here. I can't believe how much stuff they gave. Ooh, what are these? Maybe it's just little decorations. I don't know. Do you guys know what this is? Is this some sort of massage thing? Am I supposed to like use this to massage? They're cute though. They're definitely going on my shelf. Oh, yes. A nice gua sha stone. I'm very excited about that. Ooh, another gua sha. Just in another shape. So we have 2 different shapes here. Really pretty. It has like some like gold mixed in with it, and then it says the Now. So beautiful. Is this for your face too? I don't know. Okay, let's check out Connor's box. I'm just gonna peek and see if it's all the same. Yes, it appears to be the same stuff. Oh, that was so good. Okay, I think now I'm going to, what am I going to do now? I think I'm gonna hop in the shower. I just sort of wanna give my body a rinse because they were using like oils and stuff, so I'm a little sticky. So I just wanna sort of like rinse, steam, relax a little. And then, yeah, it's already 6:30, so this day is already coming to an end. It has been such a nice, relaxing self-care wellness day. Very needed. I just showered and oh, it was so nice. I had the water really hot and it was just so steamy in there. It felt so good. And then I just got out and got in some comfy clothes and I've literally just been laying in bed like chilling on my phone. Feeling really lazy. And Connor and I are about to start dinner now, but I was just checking and I think there's a problem. Almost everything that I ordered for Vegas is not going to get here in time. It's gonna get here on the Monday after I'm back from Vegas. I feel like I'm gonna die. Oh my god. I ordered it literally 2 weeks ago by the time Vegas is here, and it's not gonna get here in time. This is like a problem. I guess I'm gonna have to see tomorrow what arrives And if nothing, then on Thursday I'm gonna have to go shopping in person again and try to figure it out. This is gonna be a bad situation. I literally keep checking to see like, oh, it must be wrong. Like it's gonna re-update. And no. I'm really hoping I just see like amazing news tomorrow, but we'll see. It's not looking promising for me. Oh, I'm very stressed about it actually. I ordered so many cute pairs of shoes. I'm so sad. Okay. Let's go make dinner. Connor and I made Crunchwrap Supremes for dinner tonight. I totally forgot to show you mine, but we still have one more left, so I still get to show you. They were amazing. It has been way too long since we've had them. Really hit the spot.
But we haven't lost the touch.
We have not lost the touch. That is very true. Look at how good this looks. Oh my God. So much melty cheese. Oh, we killed it.
Wow,
Killed it yet again.
Wow, you're hearing that in the
Exactly.
People
They love it. Hey guys, it is the next day and it is lunchtime. I'm just working on some stuff for a salad for Connor and I. We have some fish cooking in the oven. It's gonna be a nice, yummy, healthy lunch here today. It's been a good start to the day though, nice and productive, which is great since I leave for Vegas so soon and then shortly after that to Canada, so I need to like get all my ish together. Can't have any days that I don't get through my to-do list. This looks so good. Also, just opening a little package here from Banza. They sent us a ton of pizzas and crusts, and this is their newest pizza. It's a Supreme, so I think that they have a Beyond Meat one and a regular one, but I think I requested the Beyond Meat. But oh my gosh, how amazing does this look? Definitely have to make pizzas soon. This looks so good. Okay. Here is my salad, just sort of threw it together. It has some salmon, croutons, cucumber, bell pepper, tomato. I threw like a little bit of leftover rice we had in there, some dressing. It's just gonna be simple and delicious. 3 p.m., lunch was absolutely delicious, and now I'm just going to throw some really quick, lazy makeup on, really nothing too crazy. I just wanna sort of like clean up some of my breakouts. Just seem to be never ending recently because I need to film a little branded Instagram story. So I just want to look like better, and I just want to look like a little better, but I don't want to do a full makeup routine or anything because I'm working out at 5, which is 2 hours away. And so I'm gonna want to take my makeup off before that because I really dislike working out in makeup. I don't know how people do that. It's crazy. Just want to like clean up my face a little bit. Oh God, I've been looking so... My self-confidence has been low lately, let me just say that. It happens to the best of us though, it's fine, don't worry, I'm like okay and everything. I just have been feeling a little down, that's all. Don't know what's going on with my skin, why it's been acting up so much lately. It's very frustrating. I don't think I'm drinking enough water. I've really been slacking on drinking water lately. I gotta make a big push to that for the rest of the day and week because then I'm in Vegas and it's just gonna be a shit show. So the next vlog that you guys see is gonna be me like prepping for Vegas. It's gonna be a whole situation. I'm hoping that some of the stuff I ordered for Vegas arrives tomorrow, so we need to try that on, figure out what outfits I'm gonna wear. And then I need to tan, I need to microplane my face, I need to do my nails, I need to pack. It's gonna be a whole day tomorrow. I'm getting my hair blown out, which I'm actually very excited for, but still just yet another thing. Oh, I'm so excited. The new season of Survivor starts tonight. This is huge. It has been so long since we've had a new Survivor season. I am so freaking excited. I hope that you guys are all watching too. If you are, comment down below. I have been a Survivor fan for a very long time, and I'm very glad that people are finally catching on because I've been telling people for years, this show rocks and you will love it. Just give it a chance. Like, I get why the concept sounds dumb, because it does not sound like something that I would ever be into either, but it's so good. I have convinced literally every person who has agreed to let me watch the show that it's like the best show. That will do. Let's go film this branded story. Okay, just finished filming for the brand. It was actually something for the Pill Club, which is just a birth control subscription service, sort of. I've been using them for years. But I'm always honored when I get to work with brands like that who just like really align with my own values as well. They're all about, you know, accessible birth control for women everywhere and, you know, empowering women to make their own choices about their reproductive health. Anyway, this is not branded or anything, but I am finished with that. So I always get all sorts of goodies in my package. I don't know if you guys remember, but a couple months ago, I got my birth control and it came with these yummy candies in it, and mine came with this again. They're so good. Sorry, I'm just in bed here. But if I recall, you can only have like 2 of them at a time or something. They're so good. B12 infused. What B12 is good for. Oh my god. Just got an email about Survivor. So excited. Oh man, it's been a day. Oh, you know what I want to do before my class? I want to package up and have my Poshmark stuff ready to go. I have to bring it to the post office tomorrow, but I should get that packaging over with. It is quite a while later. I did my workout class and then I washed my hair. I just did like shampoo and conditioner, literally didn't even put anything in it because I'm getting it blown out tomorrow, so it's just gonna get washed again. It's fine. And then I did the little cooking class. It's a part of this 10-day program that I'm doing. We made spring rolls, which you guys know I'm obsessed with spring rolls, so love that. Had a little bit of wine while we were cooking. I guess I'll finish this off. No. That is my bad. Oh, Lord. R.I.P. sweatshirt. Luckily, like, nothing soaks into this thing. It's amazing, actually. Oh my god, I have like wine all over me. And all over the floor. Oh my god, also, I hit my elbow so hard in the shower and it legitimately hurts every time I move it now. Like, excuse me? It hurts really bad. Jeez. Anyway, I'm actually hopping on a quick FaceTime with a friend and then enjoying my spring rolls, and Connor and I are going to watch the new season of Survivor. But I think I'm going to wrap up the vlog here. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Little combo vlog sitch. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog.